Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So as I have been watching your comments, I have come to know that many IP aspirants are getting worried because they have not been allotted any college, or they were allotted the colleges in the first round of choice filling but they did not pay the fee. So don't worry, in this video I'm going to tell you what you guys have to do. So watch the video till last and subscribe to Kingdom of Learning. So now let us start. Actually the thing is that you people have sent me many comments that ma'am, I was given a college, means I was allowed to get admission in a college, but due to some reason I could not pay the fee, I could not get admission, I freezed the choice but I did not pay the fee and all. So for what you have to do, for that what you have to do, you simply have to wait for the spot round of counseling. Yes, for spot round of counseling you all will be eligible, whether you have paid the fee, whether you have taken admission or not, whether you have not paid the fee, then also you will be eligible. So there is not much to worry about that. Like now in spot counseling there will be two types of students eligible. One will be who have already got admitted and they want to change their colleges, and one will be who have not been allowed admission in the previous rounds but they want to get admission and they have not paid the fee. So now for both the types of students there will be different criteria, different amount will be paid, and what is the complete procedure for this spot counseling. For that I have created one longer video that will be most probably the next one, so all of you have to watch that video very carefully, and you need not worry much about. Already I know that things are getting very late, and that's why you people are getting very worried, but that is also genuine. But we have to accept the things as they are coming, we have to go with the flow because nothing is in our hands, right? So all of you just be careful, be alert. One more thing I have to tell you, that for this polling you have to keep visiting the website of the university, but till now means it is not going to be announced very soon, because still second round of counseling is going on, choice filling process is going on. After that this year we are not expecting to have a third round, but sliding round may be there, and then at last the smart counseling round will come. So all of you have to wait for that. You have to utilize your time before that. Please watch that video I have created. You can watch it in IP and DU playlist, that is कि जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आता तब तक क्या करें, because that is very important for all you guys, because there you will get motivated that this college thing is not everything in your life. So thank you everybody, share this video with others also, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.